Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I apply my styling products on wash day. So I've already washed and conditioned my hair. My hair is tied up in a t-shirt towel. Normally I apply my products to soaking wet hair while I'm still in the shower, but for the sake of this video, I am just going to re-wet my hair until it's dripping wet. I like to apply my products to soaking wet hair because I see a lot less frizz, I see more curl definition, and just my curls look a lot better when I apply my products this way. So my hair is dripping wet now, and I'm going to apply Tresemme Botanique Coconut Conditioner. I like to add conditioner when I style my hair just to ensure that my hair has enough moisture, because usually I extend my wash days for 3 to 5 days. So I'm going to rake the product in, and I like to rake it in to ensure that my products are evenly distributed. But when I do this, I like to avoid my roots so that my roots don't get oily and weighed down. When I apply products to my roots, I see a lot less volume and my hair just feels really yucky. So I'm going to keep raking it in until it's totally distributed. And then I'm going to apply Aussie Instant Freeze Gel. This is my absolute favorite gel. I'm going to apply a dollop. I don't know what size amount you want to call that. And I rub it between my hands. And then I'm going to do a combination of smoothing and raking. So smoothing is going to create less frizz and bigger curl clumps, and raking helps distribute the product and breaks up clumps. So if you like really big curl clumps, then I suggest that you smooth, and if you like smaller curl clumps, then you should rake. So I'm applying more gel. Make sure that all of my hair is totally coated in the gel. Then when it's totally saturated in gel, I'm going to start scrunching. And to see all of that water coming out is a sign that my hair is properly hydrated, and I'm more than likely going to see a lower amount of frizz. So when I do this, I kind of scrunch up to my scalp and kind of pulse my fist. And this just helps get more of the water out. When I flip to the side, I kind of break up those curls in the back to make sure they don't curl weird as they're drying. I'm going to continue scrunching this way. So I like to scrunch until I no longer see or feel water coming out of my curls. If I scrunch any further than that, I start seeing a lot of frizz. So you can see there's not really any more water coming out, so I am about done with scrunching. After that, I plop my hair in a t-shirt for about 15 minutes. And I let my hair down, and then I will scrunch out any excess water with the towel. Here I'm actually just using a plain old cotton t-shirt. After that, I will take a small claw clip and pin back those front pieces. It keeps me from messing with it as it's drying, and it gives me some lift and volume. My hair is in a gel cast, it's kind of crunchy, so then I like to take out the claw clip, and then about every 15-ish minutes or so, I will flip my part from side to side. This gives me a ton of volume because my roots aren't just sitting on my scalp. Alright, now my hair is totally dry. I diffused when it was about 90% dry. I'm going to go in with Righteous Roots oil. I like to use an oil because I see a lot less frizz when I use it. You can also use olive oil, any kind of oil, or honestly no oil at all. This is not a totally necessary step. So I like to smooth it over that top section because that's where I see the most frizz. And then I'm going to start scrunching until I no longer feel that crunchy gel cast. And my goal is never perfect definition, my goal is always volume, so I like to shake out my roots because I see a lot more volume and it breaks up some of those bigger curl clumps. And we are done. Then I like to switch my part from side to side, see which way my hair wants to lay. And some of those top curls that are kind of sticking straight up will lay after a little while. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And like and subscribe and do whatever you do on YouTube. Thank you guys so much.